What's up, y'all? I'm back for another one, and on this one I'm going to show y'all how I visually enhance the appearance of my dashboard, well, my busted up dashboard on my 4th gen F-body Camaro. This video is actually inspired by someone that dropped a comment on my dashboard removal video that we performed on old Betsy over here, because I had mentioned positively I got to take this dash pad off too, which most likely it's going to shatter into pieces. It's already cracked down the center here, so I guess we're gonna kiss that dash cover goodbye, but I know a cheap way to fix it. So in early 2017, while I was researching new dash pad covers and prices, found myself at the cheapest place you can find one, on eBay, with prices like $475 to as low as maybe $300 or so that I had found. I was just blown away, and definitely was not spending that kind of money to replace the dashboard on my V6 Camaro. So I did what most of us would do. I kept scrolling, and I came across this listing here, or one like this anyway. Black carpet dash cover that fits my car. This one says $34.99, but the one that I bought was $38 even. Nowadays you can find them as cheap as $17, $18, but I noticed if you find them any cheaper than this, they're coming out of China. And you do not want to order it directly from China, because you will not get it as fast as you would if you would order it from the USA. If you order it from China, it will take a month to 6 months to come in the mail. If you find a place and you order it here in the US, it will only take a few days, like this one. So once I received my piece of carpet in the mail, the edge of it came to the edge of the dashboard here, going all the way around, and then there was this ugly flap thing that kind of flapped down over the airbag here, which was hideous. So at that point I realized I didn't need any of that covering this part, because this is still good and looks great. I just needed it to cover up the dash pad itself that's all cracked and busted. So I ended up taking it and trimming it myself, which I didn't do the greatest job, you know. It's not perfectly straight, but like always, good enough. Maybe you can do better. Again, it's just a cheap carpet that, you know, I'm putting over the dashboard, so it doesn't really matter too much to me. So on my initial trim, I trimmed the carpet piece a little bit bigger to hang over, because, you know, once you trim too much off, you know, there's no going back after that. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, once you get it nice and trimmed to how you like it, you go in and you put the Velcro tabs on the old dash pad, so when you lay the carpet on, it sticks to it. Again, this is not perfect. You may be able to do a better trimming job than I did, you know, a little more straighter or whatnot, but I have to say, for the 38 bucks I spent, I much rather look at this carpet than that busted up dashboard any day of the week. Another thing, luckily my dashboard, this piece wasn't busted up on it, at least not that bad anyway. I mean, there is a crack in it, a chip or whatever, and it might be a little crack here and there, but it was still nice enough to leave. Now on the white Camaro, I have the whole dash pad ripped out right now, so I'm probably going to do this again to that car. I'm probably going to buy that cheap $17 one. So I'm going to go over real quick how I'm going to make the vent for that one. Real cheap and easy. Oh yeah, repurposing time, baby. Now this is for demonstration purposes pretty much. You know, I may keep this or I may find something different, but right now I got this thin metal mesh grating piece that I actually am repurposing from the filter that came out of my wet dry vac over there. This was the inside lining piece of the filter that I tore it apart and pulled it out. I mean, you got to get creative with this kind of stuff sometimes, you know what I'm saying? I mean, you don't have to use, like I'm using, this cheap grating piece. You know, you can find yourself something better. Maybe like an old car grill. The Dodge Honeycomb. I got some VHT engine enamel that I had laying around that I didn't use the rest of. It's gloss black. So we're just going to spray this down real quick and get a nice, decent finish on it. All right, now I'm going to take this expanded metal and we're going to trim it the size of the vent hole in the carpet, aka dash cover. We got it trimmed up. Now we're going to go stick it in there and see how it fits. Again, here's what we're working with here. All right, here you go on old Betsy. That grating I put in looks like crap, I know. But again, it's just for demonstration purposes. You know, I'm probably going to find something else to put there. So when I was making this video, looking on eBay for that carpet that I had bought to show you guys, I noticed they had came out since 2017, I guess, a new product. And this is a overlay piece. See that there? Molded dash cover overlay. So this is only, you know, $72 pretty much, and it's you know, a cheap alternative also than spending $300, $400, something $100 on a new dash cover. Yeah, here's another one. See, it just says here that it is a dash cover skin, so it's really, really thin overlay skin. But yeah, it looks like it has the grating in it already. So, you know, I don't know how well it would work if your whole cover is totally missing like mine is on this car, you know, and then you're just laying it in there trying to replace your actual dash pad with that thin overlay skin cover. But hell, maybe you can get the carpet and then lay it on top of the carpet, or try to put some foam flexible padding on top of here and then put that overlay on top of that. You know, that might work. And it's still cheap, you know. You can go the $17, $40 route with the carpet, or, you know, you can spend $70 to $100 depending on who you're buying this off of eBay, and, you know, try this skin. Actually, that skin might be something that I might try. Like I was just saying, I might buy some, you know, some kind of flexible foam. Actually, there's already foam under the dash pad when you take it out. Comes with this foam. You know, I may try to find some more of this foam, or buy some of this kind of foam from somewhere. Maybe Walmart sells it, or a fabric store or something like that. As I was editing this video and looking for that picture of the dash pad on the dashboard already with that flap, I stumbled upon this website. It is lethalinteriors.com. They actually make dash pad covers for 3rd and 4th gen Camaros. As you see here, their dash pad covers are $44.99 plus the $9.99 shipping. See how they have the 82 to 92 Camaro cover. And then they have the 97 to 02 Camaro Firebird cover and Trans Am. And they have the 93 to 96 Camaro cover and the 93 to 96 Firebird Trans Am cover. And as you can see here, these ones are already trimmed to fit just the dash pad, unlike the cheap one you get from eBay that you would have to trim yourself. Just figured I'd show you guys this as well. This way you, you know, had another option on getting this carpet or fixing your dash somehow. I know some of you guys are probably like, oh yeah, that's tacky. I mean, I've even been told that by people. They're like, oh, that carpet looks so tacky, but I don't think it looks that bad. And again, it looks way better than the whole busted up look, or ripping it out and having nothing. Well, I'd love to know y'all's opinion on this whole deal, this whole video that I just made. Is it something you would do? Would you use the carpet deal, or would you rather go the overlay route, or just go ahead and bite the bullet and spend $400 and, you know, actually get the dash pad that goes on there? So drop me a comment with your opinion. Also, we're going to be putting some custom hood vents in soon, so stay tuned. Oh yeah. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace and love. But keep it real.